Oh, hello, Sarah Jane. Have you been naughty this year or nice? Nice. Do we believe it?
A little bit.
You're always a little bit naughty. Naughty elf. Right, I'm going to go around before the rest of the cookies arrive. Look at those. And a nice tin. All the ladies want this tin. These are Sarah Jane's. Look at those. They look like little rounds. Oh, I think those are Vivica's macarons. Double chocolate chip cookies, snowball cookies, Mexican wedding cookies. I've heard of those, and these are mine, which are the chocolate cranberry pistachio fudge that I made, Piranula, and link pink coconut ice. Interesting. Oh, those are Die Stephanie who's made those ones. Stephanie's German. Yum, yum, yum.
So whenever they need an alto, I'll just
Wee cup of coffee. Cheers. Oh, look at the plates. Everything is more fun with two. Actually, everything is more fun with a lot of us. Right. Oh, there goes the bell. More cookies arriving. Oh my goodness. It looks like you're working in a bakery, Kim. Are you? Look at this. Above and beyond. Wow. See what you've got on your plate? But no hazelnuts. No hazelnuts for sure. Okay, I don't think I can eat any more sugar, but let's get packed up.
What were these ones?
Ooh, look at that, empty tins. It's a nice tin, this one from Carla. Here we are. Bye.
Is this on video?
Yeah. Ooh, and it looks like somebody has visitors today.